So here's a new feature in OneNote 365 desktop version, and it's the vertical tab layout. So this is the horizontal layout. This is the notebook section, and these are lists of my notebooks. These are also the sections, and on the right side, these are the pages in the sections. So to access the vertical tab layout, just click on View, and on the tabs layout, there's a drop down tab here. Click on it, and there's the option. There's vertical tabs and horizontal tabs. I'm going to click on vertical tabs. So this is the vertical tabs layout. So all the notebooks and sections are on the left side. So this is the notebook, and these are the sections, and these are the pages. So if you don't want to see this left side here with the notebooks and the sections, you can click on the hamburger icon here, and you can collapse the sidebar. I'm going to click back on it. Also, you can change the ribbon layout. So this is in the classic ribbon layout. I just have to click this drop down tab on the right side and select simplified ribbon. So now you have more room for your OneNote. So if I want to go back to the horizontal tabs, I just have to click back on classic ribbon, click on view, and on the tabs layout, I'm going to select horizontal tabs. So you can check my channel for more Microsoft Office tips and other tech tips.